Hello, cool beans. What is up? My mom told me to sing this or maybe practice, so why not? Might as well, put the fails on YouTube. Yeah. So, this is probably gonna be a fail. I have no idea. Since I'm on camera, it might be. Okay. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other arches and curves on that wire. The sun's turning to us, but he's a liar. I believe in love. There's nothing I understand. Yep, so that was a maybe fail. I don't know. I'm going to check out this video before I watch it, and I'll decide on that. So, I guess this was a sort of fail because my voice kept scratching. You probably heard noises in the background of just, the covers being flopped all around. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe pay a little attention to what I post. Also, check out LIL Gumdrop Gamer's channel. She just uploaded a hilarious AJ skit. Okay. Bye. See ya, peeps.